We are in a very, very, very remote area which has no road access, nothing, no lights, you know. It's another wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace. So as usual, we're bringing you updates on everything we do. And today we are in also a place called Bulukufi. That's what we're doing. And yeah, Ajana. So this is like almost a virgin forest thing that we cleared. So there's a dwelling here, a local dwelling here, which is made of the Atakwami stuff. And then we have our greenhouse situated here. So this is where we are building our greenhouse in Adolso. And then we have the team, everybody representing. So we are first digging the trenches where we're going to put the legs of the greenhouse, the main structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 12 of them. That is what we are digging, and then we are currently clearing the place up for the project. So basically this is the beginning, so we'll be giving you in-depth analysis as and when we come, and then we will be doing our mortar and concrete mixing. We'll have our tanks available. So let me take you around. So this is what we do. We clear the land and then we dig the holes or the trenches and put there. So this, we have already added the matching or the locking profiles here already. So we do not need any locking profiles. So for the sake of time, we have placed it there already. So we'll just be locking the profile as and when we go. So that is that. And then we are cutting this down so that we have enough ample space for. So this is our setup from here to the 5 meters. Then we'll grow everything in between and then we're good. Let's see our tanks. So this is the security gate that we'll be putting up front, and then it also has the locking profiles there already. These are some of our tools. So we use a drill which has a battery that supports us through everything, and then we brought our own cement, our own soil, basically just to cater for that. And these are chippings that we brought as well, so we're going to add that, and that will be for the base of the greenhouse. And these are some of our metals that we've already added the locking profiles on one side. And these are our dwarf bananas that will be growing. So we have our dwarf bananas that will be growing. And then this is our toolkit for soil testing. And this is our bends. And these are our pipes. And these are our stuff. And that is our poly tank. Our tank, 1,000-liter water tank. And then this is the tank stand that we brought everything here. So, and this is the locking profile, springs. So this is a very unusual place, like very nice setup. He's staying on the farm here. So that is, and then we brought out water cans so that he can use that to water the stuff that we grow. So why invest in something you can see? Why invest in something you cannot see? We do this for people so that they can have a safer investment. We're not saying our investment is 100% proof or fail safe. No, we are saying that you trust yourself more than you trust anybody. So why don't you give yourself the honor of taking care of your own snail house, and then you will get enough dividends at the end of the day. No one comes to tell you that gold went up gold went down, or market crashed, or that you have your greenhouse, your snails raised in a natural setting, and then they lay more eggs. What happens is that they lay more eggs, they grow faster, and then they basically enjoy that better than in the cages. So that is why we are now looking to the greenhouse to make things more interesting for the snails. Okay, so that has been a simple tour of us in Adolso, Bolo Kofi, a very remote place, and then that is what we are doing currently. So everyone is invited to come on board, grow your own snails, eat healthy, get a fail-safe investment that you can trust and grow for yourself. So have a wonderful day. Adios.